All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us their 3-in-1 wireless charger for the Apple Watch, the iPhone, and AirPods. So you can see it has a breathing light, which tells you when that's actually doing something. You can touch for on and off, and vertical and horizontal mounting for the phone. Nothing really on the back besides some of the specs. The model number is the Z5S. The phone will charge it up to 15 watts wirelessly, the watch at 2.5 watts, and also 2.5 watts for the AirPods. Just the company logo on the side, and then just the sticker and the same thing there. So let's open this on up. We'll pull from back here like so. A little bit of placement of equipment notes telling you exactly how to use it. That's always very, very helpful, including cable management. That's awesome. Then we have a little user's manual. So solid green is standby, not charging. Breathing blue means that it's charging a phone. Flashing green and blue means a foreign object is detected. And blue and white is wrong adapter / low voltage alert. So let's look at our included power cable here. Does it come with a power brick also? Oh, it did. Wow. That's it for that box. So we have a nice USB power brick here. Adapter quick charge 3.0. And then you also have a nice little USB cable here. Looks like this is probably 3 feet, I'd say. And so this will plug into here. This would plug in to your wall. Then this is the actual charger. Has some notes here as well. Rid of that. And very nice light on off button. You can turn that on and off. That's pretty cool. But the bottom has some nice rubber grips here. And wow, very interesting little design. So this here is where you can hide some of your cable. So that's pretty cool. Then you also have this here to hide the cable for your Apple Watch. So that's also really cool. And essentially, you got a USB port here in the back. You just plug this in, and you can see there's the little green light, and it even has a lightning port right there for the AirPods. Now, sadly, I don't have AirPods or an Apple Watch, but you'd be able to just take an iPhone and sit it right here, and it would begin charging. You could, of course, also put it this way, and it would charge as well. And then, of course, if you hit this button, it turns off the lights, which I think that's a great feature. Some people aren't going to like the light. I really do, but I like that they give you the option. Really amazing. The perfect item for if you have all three, if you have AirPods, an Apple Watch, and an iPhone. This is exactly what you would need. At the end of the day, the perfect item for the iPhone ecosystem user. So again, thanks to this company for sending the product to us so we could unbox and show it to you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.